Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to show program icon names in taskbar on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to show program icon names in taskbar Windows 10 PC, so click on start. Now click on settings. After click on personalize and here option click on taskbar. Now scroll down. Here option combine taskbar buttons. After click on never. Release. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to show icons, show program icon names in taskbar on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.